Alright, here is the OBD scan on this Volkswagen. Okay, in this scan it shows here we have cylinder 2 and 3 misfire. Let me go to live data and look at the stream currently. Okay, in this screen we select the misfire counter just to see if there happens to be any misfire on the vehicle. Okay, and this is the data stream that the vehicle is currently running, which it seems to be running fine. Okay, so on the counter it shows that cylinder 2 1 count. It seems like the vehicle runs pretty good and it may just need a spark plugs or something of that sort. Okay, so we just ran a battery test and we show it to be 100% healthy and good